Hi guys, this is Syedee. I'm in my backyard patio gym, and this is an unboxing video. And this is a unboxing of my seal row bench that I did a previous YouTube video on. I had ordered it, and I said I would make another video when it arrived, and it's arrived. So I'm going to open it up and put it together. And this is what it looks like. And this is the Syedee seal row bench. But on the box it says KM, so perhaps that's the manufacturer. And Syedee is just one of the companies that sells it, because that's what it appears to be. But I bought this off of Amazon. This is the advertisement on the Walmart website for the Syedee seal row bench, back row machine with stationary upright weight bench combo, back strength machine, and shoulder press machine with 1,000 pounds capacity, and a back extension machine. So you can use it to do seal rows and shoulder presses and back extension exercises. It talks about the advantage of doing seal rows as opposed to regular barbell rows. And the big selling point is that it's safer and causes less pain and soreness in the waist because you're doing it from a supported position, which means that it results in less injury and more stable movement on the shoulders. And those are the dimensions: 37 inches high, 47.8 inches wide, 47.3 inches long. And it can be used for shoulder presses. And it can also be used to do preacher curls, or dumbbell overhead tricep extensions. And you can use it for cable straight leg kickbacks. It has 1,000 pound weight capacity. So I've tried it. It's actually a pretty decent machine. And the only fault I can find are with the rubber protectors for the J-hooks, because they slip on and off. And I realize it's a cheap machine, but you might want to super glue that on there, because they do slide off pretty easily. But all in all, I'm happy with the purchase. I believe it's worth the $229, and I recommend it. Walmart just delivered this, and the box looks pretty well packaged. I don't see any holes or rips. And this is what it looks like when you open the box. And it seems to be well packaged. Of course, if you want to do seal rows, you don't need a specialty bench. You can just get any flat bench. And here I have a DIY bench. I have it on 3 solid 16 by 8 by 4 concrete construction blocks. And if you elevate a flat bench, or an adjustable bench for that matter, you can just take a barbell or dumbbells and do seal row benches that way. And they call them seal rows because you lay flat, and a lot of people will bend their knees and lift their legs up so you look like a seal. So this is what it looks like completely unboxed. This has some plastic that has to be removed. And it's just two bolts I have to unscrew and take the plate off and remove the plastic. But it looks good. Just looking at the welds look fine. And there's no scratches or mars or anything like that. It's looks like a decent seal row bench. But I'll know once I put it together. The J-hooks, they look like they might be a problem with wear and tear down the road. But considering what I paid for it, I don't see a problem. This probably will last a few years before they wear out. Then I'll just have to find some more rubber and super glue it on there, or use epoxy. But it's powder coated, and it looks like it's actually a decent seal row bench. I'm not going to put it in my backyard patio gym. I'm going to put this in my garage. I have a garage gym. I actually have 4 home gyms. I have an extension room gym, basement gym, garage gym, backyard patio gym. And I keep concrete vinyl covered weight plates out here because they're element proof. I have 2 storage sheds. That's a bench. I got equipment in here. My 4-wheel push-pull sleds in here. And that was the platform I was using for seal row benches. That's an adjustable kettlebell. But I was putting the platform on these 2 concrete plyo boxes I made. I would do seal row benches there. Or I would do them here using this wood bench. And I have several benches, and I can do seal row benches inside my garage gym already, but I don't have a dedicated seal row bench, which is why I wanted this one. And not only is this a seal row bench, but I can also do back hyperextension exercises on it. So it has a dual function. It comes with wrenches, which is a good thing. And the bolts, washers, and nuts are numbered. And it looks like a easy bench to put together. So I'm going to move all this to my garage gym and I'll assemble it there. Like many home gym owners, I have a problem with space because my garage gym, it's already pretty well packed. And I have a basement gym, which is also crowded, an extension room gym, which is also crowded, and I have a backyard patio gym, but I don't want to put the seal row bench outside because of the elements, especially in the winter where it snows here in Northeast Ohio. And of course the ultraviolet rays of the sun, the rain, the sleet, the hail. So I'm going to put it in my garage gym. And I have a space here where I could put it at in front of my Swedish ladder. But I don't think I want to put it here. Instead, I have a space here between my PowerTech leverage squat machine and my PowerTech assisted pull-up and dip machine. And I think I can put it here, and some of it will be extended where I normally do benches, but I think I can make this work, so I'm going to try to put it here. And if I can't get it to fit here, then I'll just move it over here. At least that's my plan, so let's see how that works out. So this is step one, and it's just putting this piece and bolting it to here, and it has pre-drilled holes, so I'm just going to bolt that. Step one is complete. So step two is completed, and it was easy to put together. And step three is very simple, because all I'm doing is taking this piece here and I'm putting it inside here, just like that, and then taking a pop pin and put it in one of the holes here. And there are 8 holes to choose from, so it is height adjustable. And I just arbitrarily picked a hole. And I can adjust it if it's not the right height. So this is step 4. It's just bolting the 2 J-hook holders to the frame. Step 4 is completed. It was very easy to put together. Step 5 is attaching the back to the frame. There's 2 bolts that go here. This is very easy to put together. So step 5 is complete. And step 6 is complete. And step 7 is just bolting this metal frame to this backing. Step 7 is complete. So step 8 is complete, and the machine is assembled. This has a very clever design because you can easily adjust it just by pulling it out, finding whatever height you want. Very easy to adjust, and it's assembled. And this is what it looks like. Okay, I just want to try it out. I have a short crowbar, and I got a couple 45-pound bucker plates on it. Okay, that's good. I really feel that in my upper back. And I think this will really help me get ready for next year's Marine Corps pull-up challenge. And that's what I want. I want to build up my back more. I'm getting older. I'm 67 years and 10 months old. And when I take the Marine Corps challenge again, I'll be 68. So I'm getting ready for next year's Marine Corps challenge already. And I want to build my back more. I can already do over 30 pull-ups. But as I'm aging, I'm a firm believer that a trained 68-year-old senior citizen who does pull-ups and back exercises regularly is more capable than someone who's in their 20s and 30s and don't train. At least that's my theory. And so far I've done it. I've been doing United States Marine Corps Pull-Up Challenge last year and this year. And I won first prize, which is a free United States Marine Corps Pain is Weakness Leaving the Body t-shirt. And I plan to do it again next year. Okay, I just want to try it out. I got my seal row bar here. I don't have it loaded. I just want to try it out. But it feels good. I can definitely feel that working my upper back muscles. And this doubles as a back hyperextension machine. So I can work my lower back as well. Okay, that's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I create and upload more YouTube videos. And as always, thanks for watching.